What's up guys, welcome back. So today I'm gonna show you how to fix the error. PyInstaller is not recognized as an internal or external command. If you're seeing this error, don't worry. The fix is actually pretty simple. First, let's check if Python is installed on your computer and type Python version. Then press enter. If you see a Python version like this, you're good to go. Now let's install PyInstaller. Just type Python m pip install PyInstaller and press enter. Now this part might take a minute. So just sit back and let it finish downloading and installing everything. Alright, once that's done, let's see if the problem is fixed. Now let's run the command. As you can see, the error is gone and PyInstaller starts running normally. So if you're getting the PyInstaller is not recognized error, make sure Python is installed. Install PyInstaller with pip and then run it using pymanu PyInstaller. And that's pretty much it. Hopefully this video helped you out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.